Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to swap coins on the Trust Wallet. So if you want to swap coins on the Trust Wallet, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Trust Wallet and you have to select the coin you want to swap. So let's suppose I want to swap BNB. I simply click on it and right here a swap option will here. And now you can simply swap it to BNB or swap it to BNB Smart Chain. The other way is that you can simply click on the tabs and go to the PancakeSwap.finance, and from here you can swap your coins as well. On the top you have to select the coin you want to swap in other currency, and in the second one you have to select any coin to convert it. Let's suppose I want to convert BNB to ADA. So as you can see, I select BNB and ADA. Now here enter the amount and you will see the ADA amount right here. Simply then click on this button and your coin will be swapped. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.